This is a whole new game plan right now, how startups can grow with the help of AI.
We see the need for scale-ups in the Central Baltic region and how important they are towards the business ecosystem.
And as small countries, it's important that we collaborate on this because we can make each other stronger together.
The dream scenario for us and the way we've designed the program and are executing it is that ideally we'd like to see over 40 companies become internationally competitive and ready to scale up.
We've been in the startup world for a while now. It's actually our 4th year. Scaling is kind of where we are right now. We are trying to go out in Europe. Doing that with AI is probably the best thing to do right now. As a startup, there's so much focus on daily work and you're always in a time box and you are low on time and you should execute this. There's so many things you should do. So just get the time in a program like this that you actually have to set off a day or you have to do this and you need to do the work like we did today. It's invaluable because we don't do that in normal business.
AI is the future, it's already here, and this is the perfect program to talk to the other startup companies, but also learn from the experts on how we can use it in the best way and the smartest way.
A new startup can benefit a lot from this kind of initiative because you need a lot of help, more than what you think you need. This is my personal experience.
With this program, we not only want to help the companies achieve growth, we actually also see a big benefit in them being able to visit each other in each respective country and thus collaborating and learning from each other.
I would definitely recommend this program to other startups. It gives you a lot of information, contacts, realizations about yourself, your company. So far, everything has been quite fun. We're doing big and smart things in here. I enjoyed.
Our thinking has been shifting quite a bit, and I think the crystallization of what to do with AI is fairly straightforward right now, and it was very vague when we started this program. This is something that you should really jump into as an opportunity. It doesn't take too much of your time, and the value is immense.